in the way she moves, and the way she does things. You just can't help but admire. That's me, Mngadi. Clumsy. She's definitely new, I can see. New lecturer. A married one. Okay. Gosh, I really hope she loves her students, especially the one that keeps on staring at her. Only if she knew how sexy she is, she'd definitely walk with more confidence. I have to let her know. Just a kind compliment from one of our new students. She'd definitely appreciate it.
What? Oh, no, man, come on. Oh. No, don't do this. Damn it. Kosiam, manje. Oh, don't do this, please. Just start. You scared me.
Firstly, I'm sorry for scaring you. I just wanted to check if everything is fine. Clearly, you're having some sort of a problem.
No, everything is not fine. My car is not starting. I don't even know what else to do. I've done everything. Actually, it's my husband's car. He's the one who knows what to do when it gets like this. I've tried calling him a couple of times. I think he just must be really busy with work.
Your husband seems to be a really busy man, no?
Yeah.
Do you mind stepping off the car so I can help? I mean, you have nothing to lose. The car is already not starting, so...
Sure.
Let's see. The car battery seems to be low. So when it gets like this, just make sure you provide the car with some power. Press the accelerator nice and gently. Just when you're about to ignite the car, make sure you press it hard.
Thank you so much.
So I'm guessing next time if you need anything, you're gonna call me, right?
Hopefully there won't be a next time. Thanks. Thank you so much.
I didn't get your name.
Oh, I am Mrs. Mdletshe.
I said your name.
I am Lillian Mdletshe.
Thank you. Lily.
Sure.
I'm definitely interested in knowing more about you, Lillian. You're so beautiful. Oh, so this is the lucky man. Hi, God. I'm sorry, but he doesn't deserve you. Oh shit, she's awake. I believe to me. I believe to me. Shit.
Someone is having a hard time sleeping.
Guess I'm not the only one.
Lovely.
Love it too. But I love you more, Lillian. Before I sleep, there's just one more thing that I need to do. It looks bad that I took one of your things without your permission, but I can explain. Gosh, you smell so good. Let's just say I'll keep your things safe here. With me. Hope you understand.
Lillian. I thought you were sleeping.
So today I was stranded for some time because of that car of yours and all its problems. I really hope you've managed to sort mine out because sasangicela ukusebenzisa yona.
So, why didn't you call me?
Isaac, are you being serious?
Yeah.
Are you being serious, Isaac? I did phone you. I can't remember how many times I called you. Are you that busy? Kuthi awuthola isikhathi ukubuka ngisho ukubuka nje iphone ukuthi kufonele unkosikazi wakho.
Hey, stop, Lillian. I'm sorry, okay? Ukuthi nje I just got busy. Angikhonanga ukuthi ngibuyele kuwena.
And that's just what the problem is here, isn't it, Isaac? The fact that you're constantly busy everywhere with everything and everyone else except me. I'm right here, Isaac. Ngila, Isaac. Awusangiboni. Isaac, I think the saddest thing in all of this is the fact that I wasn't sure ungibuka. Ngicela ukuthi ungibuke, Isaac.
Am I? I mean, you make everything easy, so.
Imana nithukuthula kancane. Ngiyamazi lo.
I know that guy.
What guy?
That guy.
So?
No, nothing.
Kiss me. I can't. Forget.